Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings. After that go to the Bluetooth and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, at the first line we have a name, so we need to tap at this line. And right here you can remove something, but I'm going to only add some text. Let's say I wanna add this one. Now, the most important is to click Done at the right bottom, or if you have iOS 26 you will have a check mark, not Done, so you click at this button with a check mark. But we will click at the Done. And now if we go back, you can see that we just changed a name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!